Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have yet another variation for the June BoxyCharm box. So this will be the third variation that we had. Now I'm going to show you the first two variations right here really quick. These are the ones that we went over yesterday. That video will be linked below if you want to see the other two variations. But this is the newest one. Now you see in this that they have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This is the exclusive palette only to BoxyCharm. Then also the Touch and Soul Prime Essence Primer. Then also the Dominique Cosmetics, the Lemonade Lip Gloss. And there you will get one of two shades, either Strawberry Lemonade or Peach Tea. And then in this box, we also see the Dirty Little Secrets Lip Pencil. Now this is a variation. I don't know the shade of this one. And then the last thing that we see, which is the new variation that this is the first time we're seeing it, is the Saint Tropez. This is the classic self-tan. It's in a 50 milliliter bottle, and it also comes with the applicator mint, so that's really cool. And again, this is a variation, so this is something that you could get into your box for the June BoxyCharm box. And again, this is for the standard $21 subscription box. So guys, as soon as they come out with more variations, because I'm pretty sure Joe's got a couple of them hidden up under his sleeve that we haven't seen yet, I will be updating you guys as soon as anything else is revealed. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any of these spoilers. Also, rate the video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you guys. And one more tiny favor before you guys leave, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.